Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this bubble text effect using Firefly. First, open Illustrator and add your text. I'll type bubble, but you can write anything you want. Choose a nice font. It's better to use a round one, I guess. Expand your text by clicking on Objects, Expand, and press OK. Next, arrange your font and create a nice composition. I'll accelerate this part because it's a bit long. Once it's done, center your composition and add a white background to it. Right-click, go to Arrange, and select Send to Back. Now, select everything, right-click, and choose Export Selection. Choose JPG. It's important because I've noticed that if you use PNG, it sometimes doesn't work with Firefly. I guess it's maybe due to the transparent background or something. Save it somewhere on your computer, then open Google and search for Firefly. Click on the Clear button in the Prompt section. Let's create a nice reference image for our bubble. I typed bubble soap floating in the air. In the Content Type section, click on Photo, because we don't want an illustration. Go to Effect and choose Hyper-Realistic. Let's render and see the results. Save the result if you are satisfied. I like this one, so let's save it. We can save different ones to test multiple versions. Next, we're going to use the pictures we made on Illustrator and apply the bubble soap style that we made with Firefly. Don't pay attention to the bubble pictures on the right side of the screen. They're tests I've made before. So go to the Styles section and add a bubble image we made with Firefly. Set visual intensity and strength to maximum. Then go to Reference and add your bubble text made with Illustrator. Set strength to maximum. Next, I kept the prompt but just added the word letters and rendered the first image. I like the bottom right one, so I'll save it, but if you are not happy with your result, you can render again. Let's open it with Photoshop. As you can see, there are some issues, especially with the letter U. Let's start by adding a hue and saturation layer. I also add a vibrance layer to enhance the colors. I'll delete that bubble. It's too similar to the next one using the new AI erasing tool in Photoshop. Let's take care of the U. We need to erase the middle part. For that, I'm going to use the Clone Stamp tool and use the side texture of the bubble to clone it. Once done, I'm going to use the AI tool to correct the mistakes. Select the area you want to correct, then click on Generative Fill and Generate. I'll use the AI erasing tool to remove all of those folds that make it look more like a plastic balloon than a bubble. I'll do this for every bubble. And that's it. You've successfully created a bubble text effect using Firefly and Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Follow me on social media for more tips and tricks, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.